Assalamualaikum. I am NURSYAHIDA. So now I will show you on how to make an origami flowers.
Now, let's take a look the meaning of each types of flower. First, pink lily flowers mean femininity and admiration. Orange lily means confidence and energy. Yellow lily means thankfulness, joy, and friendship. Next, rose. Red rose means love. Yellow rose means jealousy. Pink rose means grace and elegance. At last, blue rose means mystery and intrigue. So, which flower you prefer the most? Next, before we start the origami lily flower tutorial, you have to prepare a scissor, glues, yellow paper, orange paper, and 2 different sizes of green paper. At last, a skewer. Now, let's get started. At first, we will make a flower stem. In this part, you only have to cover the skewer like this. Don't forget to use the glue. Now, do the same thing with the yellow paper, like this. Now, it's time to shape the lily flower. Please use the scissor carefully. And now we will have a look like this. Now stick the stem on the lily flowers. To make a curve, use a scissor. We're almost there. At last part, we will make a leaf. Fold the paper about 2 times and cut it. Now, stick the leaf into the flower. We're almost there. After finish, you can decorate your flowers based your own creativity. Now, it's turn to make rose flower. Before that, all you need is 10 pieces of rounded colored paper, glues, skewer, a green paper, and a scissor. Now, let us begin. As the tutorial before, for the first step, we will make a flower stem. Cover the skewer with the green paper like this. Use a glue to stick it. Now, to make a petals, cut a quarter of all the rounded paper like this. Next, with the glue, merge between the 2 parts that have been cut earlier. There you are. Now we can stick the petals into the flower stem like this. At this part, you have to make it properly to have a better result. We're almost there. At last, with a small leaf, stick to the bottom of the rose flower. We are done! Finally, you can make a decoration on your own. Good luck! That's all from me. Thank you for watching.